All right, I have a Canon T3i, and I had a error 70 reading on the LCD screen. I'd taken one last picture, and the picture froze on the screen. I turned it off, turned it back on, and the error 70 was on the LCD of the T3i. I sent it in to Canon factory service. It was $14 shipping and handling with a $500 insurance. They had it for probably about 4 days. They emailed me back with the invoice. On the email, it was a $169 flat rate fee to repair. They didn't say what the repair was going to be. They just said it was a flat rate fee to fix the camera. And I just received the camera back in the mail today. So let's see if they fixed it and how it works. One thing I noticed on the box that it says caution lithium-ion batteries. When I sent the camera out, I sent it without the batteries, no lens, no batteries, just with a body cover where the lens goes. And I packed it up and shipped it. So I didn't send it with a battery. Maybe they sent it back with a new battery. So we'll see what's in there. Looks like some information from Canon, sort of a flyer. See, what's this here? Service detail. Your product's been examined. It was found that the circuit board was broken, causing an error to be displayed. The circuit board was replaced. Product functions were confirmed. Let's open it up and see here. This is the letter that I sent with explaining what was wrong with it. So they sent that back, the package. And here's my camera. No battery. They didn't send it back with a new battery. So I'm not sure if this is the same camera or not, or if they put a new serial number on the bottom of it. My camera that I sent in actually didn't even have a serial number on it. It didn't have a number on this tag right here. It was blank. So I'm not sure if this is a refurbished camera or if they put a new serial number sticker on it. It says no, it says here, right here. Label body number. So they put a new label on it. We're gonna put a battery in it, put a lens on it, and see if they fixed it. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing back together. Got my battery. Gonna put it in. Switch is off. We've got a Canon 1855 kit lens. Put my SD card in. Let's turn it on and see what happens. No error. auto mode. Seems to be working. Live view. Well, looks like they fixed my camera. Overall, I'm satisfied. Price could have been a little bit cheaper, of course, but total was $169. I'm sorry, $163. It was $149 plus 14 shipping and handling charged to me by Canon, and it was $14 shipping for me to ship it out to them with $500 of insurance. So, you know, close to $180 to fix the camera, but it cost me, what, $400 to buy a new one, so definitely worth fixing.